Someone dropped an Enola. I am so sorry, dude.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can.
Pirlo afinando, ya cobra, pelota por arriba.
I got that on camera.
Hey, I need someone to help me clear this room. 1, 2, there you go. Oh shit, that was a fucking dummy.
Nailed it.
Resisting arrest.
Today on Bad Boys, right?
On cops.
On cops, whatever. Some kind of show. We're
Bad
gonna put this
boys,
criminal in
bad
jail.
boys.
He's been charged
What you gonna
of
do?
obstructing justice. Strip search him or whatever. Okay? Resisting arrest.
And now, it is time for the adventures of Dmitri and Mikhail. I'm going to need some vodka to get through this son of a bitch.
When all else fails, when weapon malfunctions, get Ruski weapon cleaning tool.
Fix all tool. Basically what it's doing is, when you have issue with gun, like still shotgun shell in the chamber, you are taking of the ramrods from the Mosin gun, okay? And then you shove it down the barrel like small and voila.
Fucking sorry. Get a hold of yourself, man.
You shove it down the barrel like
So where do we go today? We drive down Main Street. We go to yes, Commandos. So here is the main street of Moscow. Now, we need to get in here. It is known we are not of needing working cars. As you see in Moscow Streetway in the Red Square, it is just important to leave car here when they are wrecked. We all know that on Russian dashcam footage, cars wreck a lot in Russia. We even have glass in this. This is brand new car. We paid top dollar for these bullshit. This is fancy addition for our car. We have power steering, we have radio, we have little flappy thing. Look at the upholstery. It is just fine piece of work. I mean, look at the ceiling. You can tell it is clearly brand new.
Deadass.
Top quality, Russian ingenuity.
Trying to push that door.
Fuck you!
Who gave that guy his license?
Oh, damn.
For 5 minutes. See if I can get out. Am I free? Oh my god.
Yeah, you good?
Thank you so much.
No problem.
I was like, I'm fucked.
I'm gonna die at DV8.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Ow, it's my eyes!
We've been up here all day.
I'm working on foreign relations. So, how's my two favorite idiots doing today?
Pretty alright.
Anyway, welcome to Q&A episode 19. I'm in a very short chair, and let's go ahead and ask the question.
And now, I would like to introduce you to Nick. Just roll the clips. Just roll the clips.
Oh, that's the one? We're live. Matt went to get bug spray and he left us unsupervised with the camera.
So we gotta find something irresponsible to do.
Get the camera, watch this. Go for it, go for it. There you go. There you go. Oh crap, he's coming. Quick.
I mean, like, there's other good ones out there, don't get me wrong, but this one, like, no problems with it. Probably has one of the best track records out there.
I threw it on the ground.
There's a guy in there.
In there, but that's our mission. We have to save him. You're gonna open the door, okay? You're gonna go and take point. I'm recording. You're recording?
Of course
we need more people than this. Fine. Well, we need more people, like maybe 8 more people. We could do this.
Breach failed.
Oh!
We gotta clear out this toilet. Come on. This is important.
This place is full of enemies right now.
UFS all over this.
Clear the door. Go, go, go. Oh, God. Shit. Oh,
Oh god. Oh god. Clear. 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 Oh, give me the fuck out of here.
We're good. We got him.
Say, Dylan Z asks, who is the sexiest in the group?
Me. Next question.
Buttons. More buttons. More buttons. Okay, then. Yes. Hello, is everyone okay? No, you can
How much I'm trying to sell you Chinese food?
No, you can no sell me Chinese.
You want an egg roll?
No, no,
Egg roll, please.
No,
egg
no,
roll.
no.
I sell you egg roll.
No egg roll. No. No Girl Scouts sell me no egg roll today. No.
Chinese food.
You have cookies? You know cookies, no come
I want some Chinese.
What's that 47? That's not good. That's no bueno.
Mojo, clear for transmission. Come in.
Is your free
We are
float?
clear. We are right.
Damn it, Snoopy.
I got that on cams. Oh no. It's freaking zombie Dambril. Ouch. Yeah. No. Stay dead. The bullshit has begun.
Yeah, I fired about 30 shots into the air. So we're done, and I'm still not done yet.